Hello everybody, my name is Elliott and welcome back to Advective Weather. Today we're going to be taking a look at Typhoon Koinu, which is currently threatening to impact the island of Taiwan in about 2 days. So Koinu has significantly intensified over the past day or so and is now a high-end Category 3 equivalent typhoon. Koinu has also been named Jenny by Pagasa as it is currently in the Philippines' area of responsibility. Koinu is expected to gradually weaken throughout the coming days leading up to landfall, although it is still expected to come ashore early Thursday local time in southern Taiwan as a fairly large typhoon. Dangerous impacts, including significant storm surge, damaging high winds, and torrential rainfall, are all possible as Koinu comes ashore. The worst of these impacts should be centered in the southern part of Taiwan. So, taking a look at the current information as of 18 UTC today, which is October 2nd, Koinu is located at 20 degrees north, 125.4 degrees east. 1-minute sustained winds are 110 knots or 125 miles an hour, per the Joint Typhoon Warning Center estimate. 10-minute sustained winds are 90 knots or 105 miles an hour, per the JMA estimate, and they also estimate a minimum central pressure of 940 millibars. Taking a look at Koinu structure-wise, it does still sort of have an eye, although the eye has pretty much filled in over the last several hours. Earlier today it was pretty clear, so I kind of want to think that it peaked earlier today, probably about 6 hours ago. Although it still does have an eye wall surrounded by extremely deep convection. And the weakening is probably going to be due to shear, and gradual weakening is expected leading up to landfall, although the wind field is expected to remain fairly expansive. Continued weakening is expected after the storm crosses Taiwan. The JTWC forecast cone does suggest that Koinu will come ashore Taiwan as a Category 1 equivalent typhoon at around 18 UTC October 4th, which is going to be early in the morning on Thursday locally. Koinu may also approach mainland China heading into the weekend as a weakening tropical storm. However, these impacts are likely to be less significant than those seen in Taiwan. Taking a look at the weather models, as you can see, there is pretty good agreement that it will make landfall on Taiwan. Not surprising given that the landfall is going to be about 48 hours out. And both models are showing significant weakening after it does cross Taiwan, with the Euro almost completely dissipating it within 5 days. GFS also almost completely dissipates it within 5 days, and both of them have a very weak tropical disturbance coming ashore near the coast of mainland China around that time. So heavy rainfall will be encompassing pretty much the entirety of Taiwan, although the greatest threat for very heavy precipitation will definitely be in the southern portion of the island. And as I mentioned before, both models show significant weakening after the landfall for Taiwan. So what can you do to prepare? Always follow the official guidance for making decisions. For Koinu, the JMA issues official updates, although the Joint Typhoon Warning Center also issues unofficial updates. If unsure for what to do for your area, always consult your local officials to make sure you know the specific risks in your location and how you can best prepare for them. Thank you very much for watching. We would very much appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. We also have a Discord server, which I highly recommend joining. You can chat with myself and the other team members. It's a great time. So, thank you very much. We hope you have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for more updates.